Yesterday, Donald Trump has spoken at the Bitcoin conference and he has said some quite insane stuff. So we need to be talking about that exactly. Bitcoin is still consolidating. Currently, Bitcoin is sitting at a major level of support, so we need to be talking about that exactly. So can we once again push up the likes? Back above the 100 likes, that would be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into towards a short term. And yes, yesterday Bitcoin has been pumping a little bit towards the upside during the course of this weekend, and of course out of anticipation of the event that we did get yesterday. And always we should have a look in towards these kind of events to be buying the rumors and selling the news, and that is exactly what we did see. Of course, leading up to the event we saw huge Bitcoin pumps, but eventually whenever the event was there, well, we saw a little bit of a sell the news event. That is at least a very common, so nothing special over there. Now anyways, Bitcoin is still just kind of consolidating at around that CME close price, which in this case is sitting at the 67.9k level. But what is going to be very important to have a look in towards before having a look in towards the charts is having a look in towards what Donald Trump actually said during yesterday's conference. And well, he said a lot, but in my opinion, the most important few ones will be that on day one, well, he is going to be firing Gary Gensler. So yeah, I don't know how I feel about this one, but definitely we do know that Gary Gensler has been a little bit against crypto. So I mean, speaking in terms of crypto adoption, that would be very good, right? Also, he has said that he will create a US government strategic national Bitcoin stockpile if elected. That would be very bullish. The US government will keep 100% of the Bitcoin it owns. So yeah, there will be no selling going on with the Bitcoin they already own. In general, Donald Trump was just very bullish about Bitcoin, and he has said that one day Bitcoin is going to surpass the market cap of gold. Also, there will be no CBDC, so yeah, definitely he has said quite a few very bullish things about crypto and Bitcoin. And definitely, if Donald Trump will be elected as the president of the United States this year, well, definitely that is going to be extremely bullish for Bitcoin and yeah, crypto in general. Anyways, having a look into the Bitcoin charts, yes, the Bitcoin charts are still looking bullish, even though we are getting a slight little cool off after yesterday's event. In my opinion, we are still looking very good. Bitcoin is sitting at a major level of support currently, previous level of resistance, right now flipping into a support, right now being tested once again. I do expect that we are going to be holding this level and are going to be seeing this bounce. Now anyways, we are currently still trading inside of a weekend, and yes, we do know that usually during the course of the weekend, volatility tends to be lowered. Now we could be seeing that in the past few weekends. We have just been pumping towards the upside, so right now the same thing might be happening once again. We have started to be pumping on the Friday, so yes, this is looking very similar to all of the previous weekends. Now anyways, Bitcoin is sitting at a major level of support, so I do think that we are going to be holding this level over here. And yeah, it is just going to be very simple in my opinion. Bitcoin is still trading inside of this uptrend over here. We are still getting this huge push towards the upside after our liquidity grab. Of course, breaking the downtrend, so I see no reason to be bearish over here. Still holding this level of support in the short term. The Bitcoin funding rates are still sitting quite low. Of course, not as low as yesterday, but definitely still very low at the neutral territory. So yeah, in my opinion, there's just going to be no reason to be bearish over here at all. We are testing a major level of resistance right now for Bitcoin, this bull flag level of resistance, and we tried to be breaking above yesterday, but we failed to do so. Of course, it is to be expected that we are not going to be breaking above this level over here very easily. Of course, it is to be expected that we are going to be seeing quite a few corrections before ultimately then breaking above. Of course, this is going to be a very important level of resistance, but eventually I do think that we are going to be breaking above this level, and whenever we are going to be breaking above this level over here, well guys, we do have the price target sitting at the 100k level. That is going to be quite insane, but yeah, Bitcoin just testing a major level of resistance right now. Of course, it is to be expected to be seeing quite a few corrections. Anyways, Bitcoin has been consolidating for over 140 days right now, so that is absolutely quite insane. And next week will be a very big week because I do think that coming next week, we might be seeing this huge breakout. So guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, definitely make sure to check out that link down below, because with that link down below, you can right now sign up a new account. By the way, if you already do own a Bybit account, you can just sign up a new account using a different form of identity, such as your driving license, and you can just sign up a new account. Deposit at least $100, and there you go. You can be claiming a $500 airdrop position on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or all of these other altcoins over here. So definitely, this is going to be insane, quite huge if you ask me. Next week, we are headed for a big Bitcoin week, so definitely make sure to be taking advantage of this Bitcoin trade. Anyways, guys, in that larger time frame, Bitcoin is just preparing itself for that next huge Bitcoin move. I think we are in a similar consolidation, just like we have seen over here. Right now, we are in a similar consolidation, so in that larger time frame, that is looking very good. I think that that Bitcoin halving effect is about to kick in with this huge consolidation after the Bitcoin halving. Right now we are seeing the same exact thing, and yeah, anytime soon this Bitcoin halving effect is about to kick in with a huge rally towards the upside. Of course, we have already been seeing this minus capitulation. Right now we have been seeing this buy signal after the minus capitulation, after the Bitcoin halving. So we are in a very similar stage, just like we have been seeing over here. I think we are about to break out massively towards the upside. Anyways, on that weekly time frame, we have just seen a very bullish weekly candle, in my opinion. This weekly structure is looking very bullish, with a little bit of a shakeout right over here, with two bullish, very bullish candles right over here, with a little bit of consolidation in this weekly candle. So definitely we are going to be headed for a very bullish week, in my opinion. Definitely looking very good. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.